Transformations of the sine graph. You are going to be investigating these transformations using the app shown below. The basic equation is y equals sine x, and when you start with the app, I want you to have the settings shown here. A is 1, n is 1, e is 0, b is 0, and that would give you the function just here, which is the basic y equals sine x function. In this course, we don't need to worry about the effect of the constant e, so it will be set to 0 throughout. So this one here, we're not going to change this slider, except towards the very end, because a bit later on, we have a trigonometric identity which actually does require you to see what happens when you change e. So the other three are going to be varied to see their effects, and then right at the end we'll just look at that, not because you need to know the effect of that as a transformation within the course, but because of this identity that's best explained by changing that value. The general sine function is y equals a sine bx plus c. At least as far as this course is concerned, there is another transformation that can be done that's not actually in the course, and I discussed that just now with the varying the value of e. Having played with the app, you should be able to explain the effect of changing each of these constants. So the a, that will change the amplitude. If a is negative, you know that it will also produce a reflection in the principal axis. If c is 0, the principal axis will just be the x-axis, but remember, as you change c, that moves the graph up or down, which changes the principal axis. So let's just say c is a vertical translation of the graph. That's the correct terminology to use. It moves the whole graph up or down. The b affects the period. We know that the standard sine graph has a period of 2 pi. When we change b, we get a period of 2 pi divided by b. And this is really worth remembering. And actually, strictly speaking, it's modulus b, because if you make b a negative value, that has no different impact on the period. So if you had that b was negative 2, the period would come down to just pi. So more correctly, we should say it's 2 pi divided by mod b.